fidget trading with my aunt. So I think I'm gonna trade this poppet. What do you have to trade?
I got this fidget here that I think I'm gonna trade with you
Okay.
for the grape.
Okay.
The pink grape. And one more trade.
Okay, sure.
So I think the stress ball, I can trade it for the purple one.
Okay. Wow, that was a successful trade.